Guys, it's Matthew from England and I have been enrolled on Raphael's Genius course. After finishing the course, I feel a lot more confident in myself, in trading myself. It's helped me out a lot. Raphael's support has been unbelievable. It's been brilliant since doing the demo account first, getting up to scratch and hopefully going to my own money soon. I would recommend the course to every single person I speak to who's interested in trading. It's so simple to see, it's easy to use. It's got everything you need there really. Like, I was a beginner before this, and now with Raphael's help I'm feeling a lot comfortable. So anyone can do this, so I'd recommend it to anyone, yes. I'd recommend it because it's just so easy to use, it's understanding, it's every slide tells you each bit. Raphael talks to you about everything, shows examples, tells you to go and find examples yourself. So it is a very easy course to understand. My goals in the next 5 years probably would be, as everyone would think, to be financially stable, help family out, obviously retire my mum and dad, hopefully, that'd be the goal of all, and then just live a relaxed, free life really, working for myself and just being able to do what I want really. The course will definitely help me, even now, going back to each slide, going through each one and making sure that everything is working from what I've learned, sorry. And this is all down to this course really that Raphael has. And to top it all off really, I'd like to say thank you to Raphael. His support is unbelievable. I've never met anyone like him. He asks you how you are. I had a call once with him when I was first started because I was struggling. He phoned me up out of his own time, spoke to me, and really helped me out really. I can't thank him enough really. And for anyone who's watching this, if they do, just honestly buy the course. You will learn so much from it, and who knows, you could be where we are now. So thank you.